We gotta go through there, put in the code, and then we Gucci, bro. We Gucci.
1500.
It doesn't open.
It doesn't open. What do you mean? Grind the entry gate code. What?
Did you put the
Oh! I put the hashtag. Hashtag 1502.
Yeah, I heard a lot.
Today, Junior?
I was reading the rates.
Uh-huh.
I'm pretty fire, bro.
Oh, that does not look fire. That is not, yeah, that's completely
This looks like some such shit, bro. Yellow, blue,
orange. Why did it green? Like I'm watching the Cat in the Hat movie.
Something like this. Cruising down the street in my 6'4".
Bro, the way that it, oh, that's sauce. That's low-key sauce.
I like the colorways.
This is where we're gonna be staying at for 3 days. Alright guys, so I'm going to be showing you the inside of the apartment. So a little MTV's crib. So let's get to it. Hold up. If you have not seen part 1 of this dope video series with the boys heading to Orlando, hold up. Roll the clip. Stop. If you really want to see part 1 and you want to see more about it, and this little video really got you into it, go down to that descriptions or click on this link right here and go watch the video. If you like it, give it a like. If you like this video, give this video a like. And if you really love my videos in general, subscribe, join the fam. Well, without further ado, let's continue with the video.
Why are you letting strangers in? Why are you fucking letting strangers in?
Oh, wait. What is this, MTV's crib?
But it's not here?
No,
That's MTV's crib,
That's the
right?
name of the show. You're the cameraman, you fucking idiot. That's the name of the show. You're the cameraman, you fucking idiot. We're starting off in the kitchen. Here we have a freshly cleaned dishwasher. It's dead ass dripping water. I mean, we're not gonna be doing any cooking, so most importantly, we have our very special housewarming gifts. One whole bottle of Jack Daniel.
You're so fucking dead, bro. Stop smoking, bro.
2 a.m. summer night. I don't care. Hand on the wheel. Driving drunk. I'm doing my thing. Rolling the.
I keep twitching.
Because I'm trying to get the water. I don't want to. I need water, bro. Just shit. Like it's getting itchy.
Add another letter. Add another verb, bitch. All by my words. Pass me some lean. With my team, we going up. High off that lean.
Onto my room, which is this one right here. There's some cum stains or something like that. So if you step there, you're gonna get fucking nutted on. So we put a whole pillow over there. I have no idea how the f I got there. We're complaining for sure. Welcome to my room. It's not that much, it's very small. I opened up the closet and I'm very scared to step in because it looks old and scary, like an old lady can hide in there. Next. Hi sisters! We got nothing in there, don't worry about it. We got your room, the cameraman's room. This is where the cameraman's gonna be sleeping in. He's gonna be relaxing in here. This is where he takes his shit. Just chilling in here. It's kind of small, kind of cramped, you know. But this is a lifestyle of a cameraman, especially a cameraman for King Jr. They don't make a lot of money.
Cap.
And last but not least, we got this is these niggas. Yo, this man uses ultra. This is the cheap shit. This is the cheap shit. What's wrong with that? That's not mine. That's his. Yo, that's cop. Is that really? What's your deodorant? What's your deodorant?
I don't use it.
Whoa. Okay. Oh, lastly. No, I'm not coming near you, bro. You smell. We got towels. I would not trust this shit.
Yeah.
Oh, it's damp. Yo, what the fuck? Why is this shit damp?
No, you're lying.
Why the fuck is this shit damp?
You're lying.
Yo, what the fuck, bro? This place is ass. Yo, there's a whole turd in here. No, I'm joking.